Change of a state of delivery. What exactly is it? Why is it so important? And why does everyone want to know what it is in the market? Well, change of a state of delivery, you can make a lot of money off it, and you can also include it in your current strategy, believe it or not. So I don't want to waste too much time. I'm going to show you exactly how you can find it in the market every single day during New York Open, and exactly how you can pair it with your strategy. So I'm going to give you a little demonstration first to show you exactly what a change of a state of delivery is. So for the example, say we have a first initial push strong, then a little retracement back to a new higher high. And then instead of coming down, retracing and making a new higher high, we actually break right through it. Now, what do we see? Well, first we have our low, higher high, and then we have a new lower low. So what can we see right here can be our this can be considered a buy side liquidity or just a manipulation. And what's this going to be? This is going to be our change of a state of delivery. So right here, once we see that this stock were to retrace right back to this line, which is our change of state of delivery, then we can see that new lows are going to be getting put in place. And then we can target new sell side liquidities or even fair value gaps. So it's honestly a very simple strategy. That's pretty much just what it is to it. So I'm going to show you a live example in the charts. We see, well, right here we have our manipulation leg, then or buy side liquidity. Then on the first strong push to make that new high is where we're going to have our change of state of delivery. So the second we break right through this zone over here, then we are going to look for shorts, and we can possibly target these lows right here. So let's see, strong push, and that would be our entry right here. So then you can go on the lower time frame. For example, this is the 1 minute, go to the 30 seconds so you can catch that entry. And it's honestly as simple as that. Now, let's see, are we going to get another one? Well, let's see. There we go. We make this new high. So this is our first strong push. What are we going to do? Change of state of delivery is going to go right below the candle, which is right here on the first push to make that new higher high. Now, what do? We're going to wait for this to get broken. Now we see right when it gets broken, we take our entry. Now, this would be a very small trade because we don't actually have any lower lows that are close. So I would say right here would be a good take profit, which we hit right there. So it's really simple. Like, for example, right here, again, it appears all the time in the charts. What do we see? Manipulation leg. Now, where is our change of a state of delivery going to go? I'll let you figure it out. Pause the video right here. Why? Because it's the first push to make that new high. So this green candle that made the new higher high, this is going to be our change of a state of delivery. Now, we didn't close below it yet, so we don't take our entry. We wait, very patient, because patience is key in the market. Right here, we take our short, and what do? Stop loss is going to go right above the previous highs. Let's measure this properly. And we target the lows. Now we come back, we retrace, not a problem, and we start descending down. It's honestly as simple as that. Change of a state of delivery is so crucial in the market, and it's honestly a very beautiful entry model. So on the higher time frame, find your buy side liquidity that's getting swept, come down to the 1 minute, use that as your entry model. Trust me, I just gave you $1,000 worth of info right there. So do me a favor, go back test it out, and I'm sure you'll be very happy with the results. So I really hope you liked this video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments what you want to see next. Also, I do have a free Discord down below. I'm not asking for any money. It's just a place to chill, talk, enjoy, have a chat during New York Open, because trading could be a little bit lonely. So if you did like this video, as I said, leave a like, subscribe, and I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace.